a cat or something. Can't say. Let me see if I can approach a little bit. Maybe we can get a closer look to what he has. They have something really big he caught to eat. I don't know if you can see it, but I know he picked it up a little bit. Maybe if I get closer, what do you guys think? I don't know, I'm a little scared. I want to see what he caught. Alright, I'll do this. I don't know what he got, guys, but that's really nasty. Like, super nasty. I'm not gonna even come close. I cannot even breathe. And he ran away. Ah! Guys, I just wanted to show you how pretty is the moon tonight. It's just really awesome. I like it. And I'm on my way. But I'm on my way home. Okay guys, I received this box, and yeah, by the size of the box, I think you already know what it is. And I did order this one. Nobody sent it to me. So, let's see what it is. You're gonna be surprised. Okay. So, oh, it's a little bit paste in there. There we go. Oh yeah, and it came well packed as well with some, see the peanuts. Guess who's that? Oh my gosh, she looks so cool. Already, without even watching her, she looks awesome. And there she is, Mrs. Princess Leia. Oh guys, yeah, definitely I'm gonna have to do a review about this. Oh my god, I'm behind with the Funko Pops reviews, but I will eventually do them. So I got two other Funkos from anonymous individual, and this one that I did purchase over at eBay. Very pleased with it. She looks so cute. Alright, off we go.